Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully you are all doing great. I am also feeling fine. Today I am here in front of you. Today I am going to say something regarding learning and speaking English. Though we read English for many years, but after studying so many years, we cannot speak English at all because we have the habit of speaking English. We don't want to get into habit of speaking English as this is not our mother tongue. So we have to form a habit of speaking English unless we practice English every day. There will be no progress in our speaking English. So if you want to be speaking, if you want to be fluent in English, you have to be dedicated, persistent. You have to make a habit of reading, speaking English every day. Without speaking English, you cannot think of speaking English as this is not our mother tongue. It's a foreign language. So if you want to be fluent in this language, then there is no alternative of speaking English every day. You know, we can't speak English because we have the habit of speaking English as we feel shy. If we feel shy, then there will be difficulty in speaking English. We have to be shameless, we have to be courageous, we have to be motivated. Then it will be very easy for us to speak English. There are so many obstacles in speaking English because there is no provision, there is no environment where we can practice English. From the dawn to dusk, we have to use our mother tongue. So as a result, we can't speak English at all. If we try to speak English in front of people or in a public place, it becomes very difficult for us to speak a single word because there is no we have no habit. As a result, nothing comes from our mind. Our mind goes blank. As a result, nothing comes to our mind, and our mind goes blank at the time of speaking English. We have to make a habit of speaking English every single day. Yes, this is not our mother tongue, it's a foreign language. This language is very demanding, commanding, and influential. This language is used all over the world. So, if we want to master this language, we have to invest a lot of time. Without investing a lot of time, we cannot expect or we cannot hope to speak English at all. So, from the morning till go to bed, we have to practice English. Without practicing English, we cannot never think of speaking English. First of all, you have to be motivated, dedicated. You have to be interested in speaking English. You have to love English, and if you practice this English very often, 2 times or 3 times a day, then today or tomorrow, little by little, you will be able to speak English. You know, there is no good environment in our country where we can speak English, we can practice English. In our country, in the classroom or outside the classroom, there is no provision of speaking English. As a result, no students can speak English. Even after studying so many years, they cannot speak a single word. As a result, they cannot speak English at all. So, if we want to be fluent in this language, if you want to learn this language, if you want to use this language, if you want to speak this language, then we have to invest a lot of time. We have to work hard every single day. Without being hardworking, we can never hope or expect to speak English at all. Besides this, we need to know some basic things of grammar, such as sentence, tense, and some preposition, conjunction. These things are very important in speaking English. Without using these things, it is never possible for us to speak English. If you want to speak English, then you have to learn how to make sentence. Without making sentence, it is not possible for anybody to speak English. When you try to speak English, you have to produce sentence and you have to deliver sentence. Without making sentence, you cannot expect to speak English. So, 5 types of sentence: assertive, interrogative, imperative is very important to learn. Side by side, you need to know tense. There are some tense: present living, present continuous, present perfect continuous. These things are very important in speaking English. Without learning these things, it will be very difficult for us to speak English. So we need to know some basic things of English. Besides, we have to be courageous, we have to be motivated, and we need to be shameless. if we fear, if we scared, if we are scared, feel fear, or if we feel shy, then we will stuck in the middle of our speech. So we have to be straightforward. We have to be open, and we have to bold or courageous. Then it will be very easy for anybody to speak English. People who have good command over this language will must get some special opportunities, because this language will help them to go in life for a long way. This language can help us a lot in our daily life, in our personal life, in our later life. So learning this language is a must. Without learning this language, it is not possible for us to take part in the competitive exam, and we cannot expect to get a good job. So this language is very powerful, influential. So we need to learn this language. Without learning this language, we cannot at all expect to be fluent, to get a good job. Learning this language is essential. Everybody or every man in the world, there are so many people who are trying to speak English, who are trying to learn English, and they are also doing great in this area, because in this arena, because if they work hard, if they have genuine interest to learn this language, then they must be able to speak English. But it takes a lot of time. Without spending a lot of time, you cannot speak English. If you want to speak English overnight within very short time, then it's your false notion, false idea, false conception. Within very short time or over time, we cannot learn this language, we cannot master this language. So if we want to be fluent in this language, or if we want to master this language, then we have to invest, we have to spend a lot of time, and we have to practice every single day. Without practicing this language every day, it is not possible for anybody to speak English. Today I am going to end this language video. I don't want to like this video longer. I want to take leave from this video. Thank you. Thanks for everybody. Thank you.